Hello students, in this video I am going to do numericals based on the three equations of motion. Three equations of motion. Yes. What are the three equations of motion? First of all, okay, this is for basically 11th I am shooting because we have completed the second chapter, units and measurement, with the dimensional analysis. I have completed that part and we are moving to the next chapter. This is motion in one dimension, and motion in one dimension I have shot 6-7 videos last year. You can go to the playlist and check that and you will be getting all the videos. But I would like to also do little numericals based on the three equations of motion. This is also useful for class 9th because I am going to use the 9th standard textbook. Okay, first and foremost, let us say what are the three equations of motion. V is equal to u plus at. S is equal to ut plus half a t square, then v square minus u square is equal to 2as. These are called three equations of motion. Majority of the motions can be fit in Newtonian mechanics, right? Newton's mechanics, right? Not in quantum physics or quantum mechanics. These equations can be used when a body is having initial velocity u, final velocity v, acceleration a, time t, traveling a distance s. So let me do the first problem from the NCERT textbook. Please 11th standard understand, so many things are connected with the 9th to your section. Okay, I am using the NCERT textbook. In page number 108, there is an example which is 8.5 is the example. Okay, what is this example is about? A train starting from rest. Now when you do a numerical, first take the data. Now what is the data? Travel starting from rest. That means initial velocity is equal to 0. Attains a velocity of, final velocity is equal to 72 km per hour. Convert that into SI unit, meter per second. That is equal to 72 multiplied by 5 by 18. Then it will become meter per second. We used a dimensional method also to do this, right? And this will go, I think, 4 times. Correct. That is equal to 20 meter per second is the final velocity. Now, in 5 minutes, they have given 5 minutes. I am changing it for my convenience. Time is equal to 5 seconds. If it is in minutes, 5 minutes multiply by 60, but I want to do from graded approach. Okay, so I got this data. Now after having this data, what are they saying? Find the acceleration. A is equal to how much? And then they are asking what is the distance traveled? S is equal to how much? Very simple. You know, first A we have to calculate. We will take the first equation of motion or definition of acceleration. Acceleration is equal to v minus u divided by t. That is equal to v is how much? 20. 20 minus u is how much? 0. Divided by time is how much? 5. Okay, that is equal to 220 upon 5. That is 4 meter per second square. So acceleration is equal to 4 meter per second square. So this is the one answer, we got it. Now we move to the next one where we need to calculate S. What about S? S you can use this formula or also you can use this formula. Either one of the formulas you can use. There is no problem in that. So let me erase this part of it, right, and see what I am doing now. We have to calculate the distance. So S is equal to ut plus half at square, that is equal to u was 0 multiplied by time. We took time as 5 seconds plus half into a we calculated to be 4 into t, time is 5 square. Okay, I hope I have taken the time as 5 seconds only. So I have done that. Now just simply cut this, leave it, that is equal to this and this will go 2 times. So 2 into 5 5s are 25, that is equal to 50 meter, right? S is equal to 50 meter, S is equal to 50 meter. I got the answer. Sir, why don't we use this formula and try? Of course, you can try because all the data is there except that of S. Okay, V square minus U square is equal to 2AS. Initial velocity is 0, cut it. So V square, what is the final velocity? That is 20. So 20 square is equal to 2 into 4 into S. Okay, 20 square is nothing but 400 divided by, bring this down here, 4 into 2 is equal to S. 4 into 400, 100 times, 2 into 100, 50. So S is equal to 50 meter. So when you take a formula, in either way, it is giving you the same answer. Yeah, both the answers are same. So this is one sample problem for you. Next, let me move to the other problem. Okay, let us try to do as many problems as possible. They are very useful to you in understanding the concept. Doing numericals is very, very important part of learning physics. Yes. Now this is 8.6, frame 9th book. Okay, a car accelerates uniformly from 18 kilometer per hour. From means what? Initial velocity. And moves, to 36 kilometer per hour. Yes, this is the final velocity. Yes, in time t is equal to 5 seconds. Done. Okay. Now they say calculate acceleration, how much, and calculate the distance traveled. I don't think I need to do this because I have done the previous one. Okay, I will do this one more problem for you. Okay. Yes, convert this kilometer per hour into meter per second. So 18 into 5 upon 18, cancel this 2, that is equal to 5 meter per second. And this is equal to 36 multiplied by 5 by 18, cancel this 2 times, that is equal to 10 meter per second. Okay. So we have converted. Now what we have to calculate first? You have to calculate acceleration is equal to V minus U upon T, that is equal to V is 10 minus 5 upon T is how much? 5 seconds. That is equal to 5 upon 5, that is 1 meter per second square. We got one answer. Now we need to calculate next distance traveled by the car. We can take any one of them, no problem. So I am taking S is equal to ut plus half at square, that is equal to u is 5 into time is how much? 5. So we have to consider now plus half into 1 into t is again 5 square. Okay, 5 5s are 25 plus 5 5s are 25 upon 2. 25 plus 25 upon 2. Yes, I know a little bit of simplification. So simply I will write 25 plus 12.5, that is equal to 37.5 meter. This is the displacement. Dear students, these problems are very, very, very basic problems. You do from 9th standard and then you proceed to 11th standard. Your concepts will be very clear. Then you can appear for either IIT JEE exam or you can appear for NEET exam, and the concepts will be easy for you to proceed. Yeah, and let me do one more problem. Yes, this is 8.7 example. The brakes applied to a car produces an acceleration of 6 meter per second square. Look at this statement, very strange. The brakes applied to a car, what will happen? The car will slow down, and that is not acceleration, it is a negative acceleration. What is negative acceleration called? Retardation. So you should understand the word, here the data given to you, you can write acceleration, but brakes are applied, the acceleration will decrease. So 6 meter per second square, but put a negative sign. Yes, deceleration or retardation. In opposite direction to the motion, that's fine. If the car takes 2 seconds to stop, time taken to stop is 2 seconds, right? Stop means what is the final velocity? 0. We don't know the initial velocity. Yes, okay. Let us keep like this much. Okay. Calculate the distance traveled. S is equal to how much? This is also in page number 108 to 109. Now we have proceeded. Okay. Watch carefully. Deceleration, negative sign should be included, and symbol can be same. Yeah. So in this part, when I do it, I have A, I have T. So I need to calculate S. I can calculate S from here. I don't have U, I don't have A, I can't use it. I don't have U, but I have T, I don't have A, acceleration. Acceleration is there. So I will use this formula, or first what we can do, we can use this formula and calculate U, right? So V is equal to U plus AT, right? V is how much? The body is stopped. 0 is equal to U is we don't know, plus acceleration is minus 6 into time is how much? 2. Okay, so that is equal to U, bring it this side, minus U is equal to minus 12. So cancel this, which gives U is equal to 12 meter per second. I got one value. What is that? U is equal to 12 meter per second. One part. Now second part. Displacement or distance traveled. S is equal to, I can use any of the formula. For this time I will try to use this formula. V square minus U square is equal to 2AS. Right? V square 0 square minus U 12 square is equal to 2 into, what is the acceleration? 6, minus 6, okay, into S. So leave it. Minus 144 is equal to minus 12 into S. Minus minus goes. S is equal to 144 divided by 12. 12 12s are 144. So 12 meter is the answer. Right? So now you got U value, you got S is equal to 12 meter, and your answer, the problem is solved. Okay? So just today it is only a taster for you, right? It's only a starter, right? Starter. Yeah, you started with doing numericals on 3 equations of motion, and in the next following videos I will do more numericals and more concept, and you learn the theory from my previous videos. Thank you so much.